Do you have equipment?
Yeah, come on, guys.
I've lost it.
No, come on, you got this. Eye of the tiger.
Eye of the tiger. Do you have a piece of equipment with aluminum on it? And it's worn out, weather beaten, and haggard up?
Have you tried elbow grease pressure washing and you still can't get it off?
Well, today's your lucky day because we're going to show you how.
Last season, we showed you how to clean up aluminum by using acid wash.
But sometimes it gets so oxidized you can't restore it. We got this old Mack truck in, which has an aluminum bed, beat up pretty good, stained up. So we're going to show you some steps on how to prep aluminum correctly and paint it.
We're using 180 grit sandpaper, and we're also using Scotch-Brite pads. They're good to use in the little tight areas where you can't get a sander. This step though is super important. I mean, if you're in this line of work, you do need to come back, make sure every area is hit, because if not, like the paint's not going to stick, it's going to peel back.
We got our dump ready for a 2-part epoxy, and that's going to help with corrosion, adhesion, and coverage with our base coat.
Todd has a Gibson RX 750. When he jumps, that's when you know and everything's tuned up. As long as you're just like, yeah, you're just like, you put it on there. The reason I'm doing this for longevity
and gyration. We got our epoxy primer on our dump bed in there, which gives us a nice even surface. For our single stage, which we're putting on 2 coats of black, so we get a nice build of paint for adhesion, protection of scratching, UV rays, and it makes it look a lot better on the job site for years to come. You've seen me and Kenny use these guns on our episodes of deconstruction. The top button, so you can adjust the pattern if you want a tight or fan. Bottom is for how much material comes out of the gun. And everybody has a different preference on how they want to paint. And that's how I got mine set up. So this is the pinpoint. See how tight that pattern is. Back it off by half a turn is what I usually get on my gun. And then you can see it opens the pattern up. Hopefully this tip helps you out if you want to try spraying sometime.
And we'll come back one more coat. She'll look brand new. Our paint job came out excellent. Our customers are going to be very happy.
So hopefully by watching our videos, you'll see it is possible to paint over aluminum.
And if you like what we do, hit us up at newmantractor.com. Is the aluminum on your truck haggard, staggered? God.
Haggard and staggered. Today we're going to show you and tell you how to fix it.
Did you ever try it?
Did you get that on film? Was that thing on?
I'm put a pretty large down payment on a motorcycle.
Ooh.
And the guy wants the rest of his money. And I don't have. Got me a leather jacket with the little
tassels.
Oh my God, I can't wait till spring.
You cannot be blackmailing people with that thing.
Oh, you know he will.
Yeah, $100 I can borrow, and you'd be like, no, and he'll say, well, I got some footage that begs to differ.
Yeah, because he will post this on.
Oh, he will.
On the line.
Yeah.
This night of nights will really be remembered.
And guys like, this isn't Spirit Fingers. This.
That's about right.
That's what it reminds me of. Let us film you. Let us film you.
That's why his battery goes dead, all the bloopers.